Alright guys, back with another video on Wrx chilling. We're finally doing the coilovers. Woo! I'm excited because we could finally drop that. But like I said, I'm gonna set preload on these and then we're just gonna swap it. Let's get these on the subie, man. It's been long enough. I already got everything taken off right now. The only thing that we got to do now is just remove this sensor, put it to the side, remove this bolt too, and it's for the, there's a brake line. These two big homies, and then these three on the top mount, and that's it. And it comes out. I know it's easy, but you know me, dude. You never know. So hopefully it goes smooth. All right, guys. So we got the new coil in. Fresh. Yeah, so the only thing I would recommend having a buddy help you out, because yeah, lifting this thing up is really hard. You gotta make sure that these two are like perfectly in line or it's not gonna go in. And then having a hammer to give it some love taps is gonna help out too. But it looks good, I like it. Hey, pandas, crack it. Moment of truth. We got the old struts out. We got the new ones in. Fresh. And then with the clicks, I did only I put it to the softest setting and then I just did 5 clicks down. So we'll check them out. Hopefully we got this, dog. But
what's up, bud?
My bud helped me out today. We're gonna see how this is. All right, let's actually leave it right here. Just like that. Moment of truth. It's either gonna be extra high or it's gonna be extra high. Truth. How's it looking on the side? What do you think about that? Huh. I don't think it got any. It did? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the next day. We're doing the back sides now, so the rears. I already have everything on jack stands. We're gonna remove this tire, and then once we remove that, I'll show you on the bottom how it's gonna go. Right now, we removed the trunk liner, like the everything that was on top of this, and then now I think we just have to remove this trimming. I removed already 2 pop clips. Be careful because you could probably mess these up. But there's some 1, 2, 3, and I think, and 4. I think that's all I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do the whole thing, just so I can have some access right there. And then once we get there, I'll show you. There's 2 bolts. We'll remove those, and then we'll get started. But yeah, let's knock this out for you guys. All right, so I actually, it's 4th of July. My bad, guys. So it's actually 6 pop clips. I just removed these 2 that were right here as well. Just to make it easier. But cool thing, look, this is gonna be for the tail lights too. Whenever we switch it, it's gonna be easy to plug and play system right there. So this is what we're gonna work on right now. So we're gonna move these 2, and then yeah, I think the bottom. So we'll come back right now and we'll get to the bottom. I think we're gonna move those 3. I'm not sure. We'll see right now, but we'll check it out right now. All right, guys. So now we're at the bottom. I think we're gonna remove these 3. This one goes to like the end link sway bar situation. This one's the coilover, and this one's holding the assembly. There's already little markings on there, so I'm gonna try to put it back in those spots, those little markings. This one, I don't think there's one for this one, but we'll see. But yeah, so we'll remove these 3 and then move the 2 up top, and then it should slide out. All right, so we got it back in. Now we just gotta put these bolts back on, and then yeah, we'll drop it. See how low it went. Woo! Damn. Alright, guys, see that? We already got it in. So this side's done. Took me a little while. I put the trunk liner in just a little bit. This is still loose, so just in case we need to adjust the dampening. But now it's on to this side. I'm not gonna film so much just because I already explained it. You guys already know what to do. This is a little struggle. This is my first time ever switching coilovers, so it's a little difficult. Alright, guys, so we're underneath. So I have to get that tire off, remove this bolt, which is a 17. And yeah, I like doing it this way. The other way, yeah, I tried it the other way, on the other side, and it was harder doing it from this way, like putting it back on this way and taking it off. So I'd recommend doing it from this side and then work your way down. Yeah, this one's 17, 17, and then 14 for this one. We already have them loosened up, so we're just gonna loosen these. Take them off, and then we'll go from up top, do those 2, and then this should be able to just slide out. And then we'll put the new one in. Alright, so we got those 3 out. This one's a little difficult, is the end link sway bar. But now I think you just let this, and this should come off. Maybe you should drop it down. Oh yeah, and then it should just come out real fast. Moment of truth. This is it, guys. Hey, brothers. It's definitely lower, for sure. I mean, it's gonna settle a little bit more. What is it, like a 2-finger gap? Yeah, not 3. It's 3 is stuff. I mean, the back is perfect. Cause it's gonna settle a little bit more. Damn, I'm fucking with this. I just gotta lower the front just a little bit more, like half an inch, 1 more inch. This is gonna settle a little bit more. Damn, I'm fun with it. Woo! Let's go. You already know we're gonna do end links, sway bar, rear control arms, toe arms. What's up, guys? That's it for today's video. It's the next day. I just wanted to finish, you know, just enjoy the rest of the 4th of July with my family. So now it's, I don't even know what day it is, but check this out. Bam. Chilling. We got the homie low. This was a must, dude. We've been needing this for sure. So we still gotta test drive it. We gotta check it out. But definitely need an alignment. Hopefully with the alignment they'll help me with the ride height. Because this side, look, I feel like this side is like just a little high. But I don't know, it might be good. Maybe when I drive it, it'll like settle in a little bit more. But definitely an alignment. I like how the back looks. Maybe just a slight camber, not too much. But with the back, I think I need like other parts, like the control arms and the toe arms too. I don't know. We'll see what's up. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Appreciate everybody watching, and if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And this is it. Now we gotta get that alignment, put the AOS, and then stage 1 with the intake access port, and let's go. And I got one more little surprise for you guys, so we'll check it out right now. Maybe be in the next video, maybe in this one. You never know. Stay tuned. Stay subscribed. You never know. And if you'd like to, give it a thumbs up. Appreciate it, guys. Later.